Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Siti Julaiha. I am from elementary school teacher education class 1B. Here I will fulfill the assignment for an English course with a sporting lecture, Mrs. Badroini MPD, with the title Technique of Success in Learning English. Before that, do you know what language is and what English is? Language is the ability that humans have to communicate with other humans using signs, such as words and gestures. Language has an important role in human life because it is the main means of communication. As a means of communication, language includes a word, group of words, clauses, and sentences expressed orally and in writing. English is a Germanic language that was first spoken in England in the early Middle Ages and is currently the most commonly spoken language worldwide. English is spoken as the first language by the majority of the population in various countries, including the United Kingdom, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, and a number of Caribbean countries, and is the official language in the nearly 60 foreign nations. English is the third most spoken mother tongue worldwide after Mandarin and Spanish. English is also used as a second and official language by the European Union, Commonwealth of Nations, and the United Nations, as well as various other organizations. And at this time, the use of English is not only used as a liaison language for communication between countries, but has also begun to penetrate into various of fields. For example, the mass media. In this modern era, many mass media use English to publish news and other unique things. In addition, English is needed in various conditions. That is when conducting meeting with client, presentation, even in job interview. Actually, learning English is not as difficult as many people think, and everything can be done easily if you do it right. So, we no longer need to be nervous or afraid when we need to speak English with other people. You can do it yourself. Curious how? Let's see how to learn English easily. The first, there must be intention and determination, because learning and mastering English requires patience and quite a long time. The second, set your target and goals for learning English. Well, you have to set target in order to find out how far progress has been achieved. If your target is to continue your work education abroad, then you have to study harder so you can compete with people from other countries. The third, discipline. The key to a target success is to be a discipline. By practicing every day, it is graduated to be practicing in English. If you can also set the same horse every day, so it's not easy to accidentally forget. Turn on and learn when needed, of course, for sure, don't lie. The fourth, learn English vocabulary. The way you can learn English is through vocabulary, because English vocabulary has an important word in every sentence. If you don't know English vocabulary, you will find it difficult to understand the meaning of the sentence. The fifth, record new vocabulary. The next easy tip for learning English is to record new vocabulary you find. Then you need to record new and unfamiliar vocabulary. Then memorize the vocabulary and meaning. Make sure the vocabulary you record is vocabulary that you understand. Uh, if vocabulary that is familiar and you already know, you don't need to do it again. The sixth, often read book for beginners. You can start by reading children's book in English. Apart from being filled in with interesting picture, children's book can only use basic grammar and vocabulary used in everyday life. If you are getting used to it, then gradually read books that are more difficult, such as fiction novels or self-development book in English. The seven, listen to English song. When listening to the English music, you needed to look at the text of the music lyric. Why? From the text of a phrase, it will have the correct English pronunciation. This method is a fun way to learn English and graduate not to be boring. Because who would have thought that listening to music could master on of these bases of language and literature. The 8th, listen to English podcast. Podcast is a platform that is currently quite popular among teenagers and adults. Through podcasts, you can choose your favorite, place it as a learning resource. As a bonus, listening to podcasts can be used as a friend when you are doing other activities. The 9th, often watch English film. Easy tips for learning English that are no less exciting and fun are watching English movies. So, watching movies from outside a company by subtitle also really have you. At least in the film, there are lots of new vocabulary and lots of vocabulary that will continue to be repeated. It is this revision that will have you become more familiar with the pronunciation of the word and its writing. The 10. Change the language on the gadget with English. Every gadget from smartphone to computer has a language that we can set. To have used learn English, we can set it to be an English model. That's why we will be a little familiar with the word in English. The 11. Use the application Learning English. Does not need to be expensive. There are many free applications that can help you to be proficient in English. For example, you can use a free writing application such as Grammarly, which function to check your English grammar and vocabulary when writing. And 11, do an aptitude test. If you have previously studied English pronunciation by watching movies, listening to music, increasing your vocabulary, and so on, then the next step is try to write using English sentence. Write simple and easy sentence using English. This method will also make it easier for you to be more familiar with using English. And 13, start speaking in English. Lots of people are not confident to communicate in English, such as fear of being long-headed because they are still stammering, mispronunciation, bad action, and several other factors. Well, you can practice it is by speaking in front of a mirror to increase your self-confidence. Repeat sentences and vocabulary that are often used in everyday life so you don't stammer and speaking directly to other English. And the last, English course. Talking an English class course, you really have to be willing to spend money to pay for tutor. The advantage of talking a course, you can learn more intensely when you know you can immediately ask, and of course it can be immediately answer for explaining. Talking course is also subtitled for choose, or you are preferring to take the TOEFL exam and university extra exam. So for that, you want learning English, the context not for academic and just to be able to communicate in English, then you can use the easy tips for learning English that have been present before. So that's the material that I can convey, more or less apologies. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.